So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to use our pad strap system. The quilt ships with a single pad strap. There are a total of 3 attachment points on all Bandit quilts, and you can order spares on our website. So let me show you how that works. I have the quilt laid out here. Just kind of gives me an idea where these pad straps need to go. So I have a pad strap here. It's 2 toggles, a small cord lock, a pull, and shock cord. So I'm going to put that around the pad. And I'm going to cinch cord to it just snug. I'm going to take the toggle, slide it to the top side of the pad. This is the bottom side. I want that on the bottom. Slide that around to the top. And I'm just going to set that right on the edge of the pad. There's a toggle here and a toggle here. Now I'll go ahead and put a spare pad strap on. Again, these are available for purchase on our website. I'll tighten this one. One tip, once you've set your pad straps up to your pad once, take a black Sharpie, red Sharpie, white Sharpie, whatever color will contrast with your pad, and just mark the 2 sides so you know where to put those pad straps every time you set up. So I'm going to make sure they're lined up approximately for our installation. And I've got my quilt here, and I take this loop, open it up, put that through there, take this loop, open it up, put that through there. So now this side of the quilt is effectively attached to our pad. So I can use this quilt like it is right now for warmer weather. I'll just get in from this side, and I'll demo that in a minute, and I can swaddle the quilt. For colder weather, I'd actually go ahead and attach the other side to hold this side snug as well. So now our quilt's effectively attached to the pad on both sides. With this, it'll help seal out the drafts better. I do need to enter it from the top, kind of inchworm in, but not really a big deal. So I'll show you those 2 techniques here next. Okay, so I have the Bandit top quilt here on our pad. I have it attached 2 points, and I'm just going to slip on in. Snuggle down inside it. Now on this side I don't have the upper pad strap attached. On my left side I do, but I primarily side sleep. So I would literally just swaddle the side of the quilt, allow me to get in and out quick. In colder weather I would attach this upper pad strap just to provide me with a little bit extra draft protection.